Grade 4. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your winter vacations. Today is our first online mathematics class. Okay, open up your textbook, page number 72, and the topic is geometry. We already have done with geometry in the class. Today we will do with angles and we learn about angle. Angle क्या होता है and what is angle and how does it form और कैसे बनता है. So in your book you can see the picture of an angle. There are two stakes or the two stakes are forming an angle. So this is an angle. So angle is formed when two rays meet at a common end or a vertex. एंगल कैसे बनता है? जब टू रेज आपस में एक पॉइंट पे कनेक्ट होती हैं, सो दे फॉर्म एन एंगल. और एंगल जो होता है वो दोनों रेज के बिटवीन जो डिस्टेंस होता है उसको मेजर करता है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंगल we can measure the distance between both arms. Okay, now I will show you angle on the board. To form an angle, we will draw one vertical ray and another horizontal ray. Both these rays are forming an angle. The point on which both these rays are connecting is known as vertex. This is called vertex. Okay, so now you can see this is first ray and the second ray. Both are connecting on a point and forming an angle. The angle measures the amount of turn between two arms and two rays. So this is an angle. Here are some examples of angles in our life that we can see. The first example is a wall clock. The positions and of the hands also make angle, as you can see in the picture. The book is also forming an angle. In our life we can see different angles around us. Here is again an example of angle. You can see the hanger is also forming an angle. Okay, now see these pictures. In these pictures you have to count the number of angles, how many angles you can see in this picture. So let's see the first picture. In the first picture there are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. The lines, two lines connecting at a point, when two lines connect at a point vertex, that form an angle. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 are angles. In the next picture again you can see 1, 2 and 3 angles जो हैं इसमें बन रहे हैं. 1, 2 and 3 angles इस triangle में you can see. And the same इसमें rectangle में how many angles you can see? 4 angles you can see. Angles can be clockwise and anti-clockwise. Angle clockwise भी हो सकते हैं and anti-clock भी. Clockwise I will show you example of clockwise की. आप clock की example ले सकते हैं. The hands of clocks rotate clockwise. Okay, this is the example of clockwise. जब जो clock की hands हैं जब ये रोटेट करती हैं तो ये क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट करती हैं फ्रॉम लेफ़्ट टू राइट. अगर हम इसको अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव करें तो दिस विल बी इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो क्लॉक इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ क्लॉकवाइज एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. क्लॉकवाइज एग्जांपल विल बी लाइक दिस. दिस इज़ द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्लॉकवाइज एंगल एंड दिस इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, थैंक यू. Do page 74 on book, question number 1 and question number 2. and page 75 on book. Thank you.